Introduction to Criminal Justice, Case Study and Qualitative Presentation Number 2. Criminal court process in Indiana. Arrest, initial hearing, bail, grand jury if applicable, arraignment, pretrial procedures, trial, sentencing, and appeals. Arrest. Lieutenant Thompson would be formally arrested, which involves taking him into custody. He would be informed of his Miranda rights. The arrest is based on probable cause established by the Internal Affairs Investigation and the District Attorney's assessment. His initial appearance. Lieutenant Thompson appears before a judge. He is informed of the charges against him and his rights, and bail is set. The judge ensures he understands the charges and has legal representation or the opportunity to obtain it. Preliminary hearing. The prosecution presents evidence to demonstrate probable cause that Lieutenant Thompson committed the felonies. The defense can cross-examine witnesses. The judge determines if there is enough probable evidence to proceed to trial. If probable cause is established, the case is bound over for trial. Arraignment. Lieutenant Thompson enters a plea. If he pleads not guilty, the case moves to trial. This formalizes the charges and sets the stage for pre-trial motions and trial preparation. Motion hearing. Pre-trial motions are heard. These can include motions to suppress evidence, motions to dismiss charges, or other legal challenges. Trial. If the case proceeds to trial, a jury hears evidence and determines guilt or innocence. The prosecution must prove Lieutenant Thompson's guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. The defense presents its case, challenging the prosecution's evidence and presenting its own. If found guilty, sentencing follows. Potential consequences. The consequences of his actions could result in criminal charges, civil lawsuits, and professional repercussions. What would I do? If I were in this situation, I would try to intervene to diffuse the situation, and ultimately I would have no choice to report his unethical behavior to internal affairs.